Markets off to a weak start, but appear to be gaining some momentum. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Friday, April the 30th, the last trading day of the month. This update is brought to you by our friends at Tradier Brokerage, and of course we do have other brokers, but Tradier is the one we prefer for equities and options. They have $10 a month is always the first thing, easiest thing to say. Great customer service, and of course we have their APIs, which allows us to automate our portfolios if you choose. That is no cost. It's part of your membership, and there's no additional cost with Tradier. In the meantime, markets were getting clobbered early and have suddenly, again, they're still lower, but they're making a charge to try to get back to the positive side, and we'll see if that is indeed the case. We are still, in a pretty solid uptrend as we are along across the board. And obviously, it's not going to change today, no matter what happens. But, look, we've seen these markets in the past. At the moment, they only want to go up not free money, but the cheap money. The lack of places to go continue to propel equities. And again, why should we be the ones to try to fight it? So in the meantime, we're long. We'll stay there. The metals, we're long across the board. Now, again, we don't trade platinum anymore because it's not liquid enough. But we would be long, but we are long gold and silver, both slightly higher this morning. Copper, I don't know. Maybe copper is going to $1 billion. Who knows? It keeps going up. We're long. Hey, what can I say? Net gas is a little bit higher. We're long. Crude is lower under some heavy pressure, and we're still long, but it is under pressure today. It has come back from its lows, but it does look ugly at the moment. But again, we've had such a big lead that it's not a concern. Bonds and notes are skirting around the flat line. We are still long bonds, short notes, and the dollar is slightly higher, but again, sell dollars with reckless abandon until something changes. And with the system we're using, and with the lack of declaring any inflation, you're going to continue to see dollars go lower. In grains are mixed. Corn's up, wheat and beans are down. We're still long across the board. And the proteins, we're short cattle, which are both slightly lower. We're long hogs, which are up about $1. So nice, working as we expected. And of course, in the softs, cotton is higher. We're long. OJ is lower. We're short. Coffee is a smidge higher. We're long. Sugar is lower. We're long. And cocoa is getting ripped, a new, whatever. And we are short. So again, at the end of the day, not bad. Another good week in the books, most likely. And, at the end of the day, follow the trends, follow the path of least resistance. You'll always be much happier. And of course, remember, our partnership with Family Farms, we have the same agenda, helping our farmers put themselves in the best place financially and protecting against any disasters. So Family Farms, can't wait to do their event in July. And of course, our other brokerage partner, which is Capital Trading Group for futures and commodities, and they are the only ones authorized for our letter of direction trading. Now remember, as I tell you all the time, I have other brokers, but those are my preferred brokers. And, what we look for here is, the ability to do the right thing. And of course, they trade all my accounts, which would tell you that I believe they can do the right things. And they also have some great managed futures products as well. So check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And of course, the commodity report written by Andy Hecht. If you're a commodities enthusiast, trader, whatever, there's no report like it. You got to check it out. It's called Technomental at BubbaTrading.com. And of course, our high school program. If you'd like to help us out, go to Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That is patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. And, of course, got the Kentucky Derby this weekend. We have no selection at the moment, but we probably will have one. I'll try to text it out. In the meantime, have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Sunday with Bubba's Bottom Line. Take care, everybody.